Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Ratelle from the University of Toronto, and I'm here at the Too Cute to Kill Symposium. What drew me to this event is, one is the opportunity to work with a lot of interdisciplinary researchers. We talk a lot about interdisciplinarity without really finding ways to build the kinds of, rhetorical networks to approach an issue on a common ground. So if we're all interested in animals, and animal welfare, and we're approaching it from different angles, then that certainly gives us a nexus around which to form our thoughts. In terms of the most important ideas that I'm taking away, for me it's this notion of responsibility. If you start to consider what we owe animals and sort of start to think in terms of a framework of responsibility, then certainly we have no choice, but we have an impetus to action to improve animals' living conditions, to improve the status of animal rights, to sort of increase their protections. So for my research area, I think the implicit call to action in events of this nature is particularly productive because it's talking about things isn't enough. There has to be some kind of follow through, and I think when you talk to people who are doing, say for example, empirical field work, then that gives you a framework to start addressing things in a real world way that you may not get in the humanities.